I have a Line UHNP315-SS01A ice maker showing error code 11. I have cleaned the unit and it still displays E11. Is this something I can fix? I can't find what that code means anywhere. Thank you. When did you last replace your ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker? I have a filter coming and it is 2 years old. Is it the filter?
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Been going on about 5 days. I opened the panel and turned off the unit. When it rebooted, the CL code came up and I cleaned it. Haven't been able to find any other fixes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Only how to clear the 11 code. Not making any ice.
Thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is I am here to help. I am sorry you are having appliance issues. I know this can be frustrating. The error code that you are seeing is this on the manual, E11, displayed as 11, water level, tray or reservoir, high. From what the manual says, you can try resetting the appliance by unplugging the power for about 15 minutes. If this does not clear the error codes, your control board might have to be replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.